Good morning, welcome to Nifty Prediction. My name is Narendran. To join my WhatsApp group, I am charging 500 rupees per month. You will get live calls in the group as well as advanced prediction Excel sheets in the group. Before going to the Thursday's prediction, I would like to review the Wednesday market and what are the calls given in the group. Let's go to the market. Nifty ended up in the positive 11,937.65, 40.85 points in the positive, 0.34% in the positive, opened around 11,958.55. I went around 12,018.65, low around 11,775.75. Let's go to my prediction review and group calls. The group calls which after the pre-market open around 9:10, these are all the targets which activated for the market, because it is kind of a volatile day. We know that it is a volatile zone. The market pre-open is open in the volatile zone, which means we need to keep both sides options in hand, then only we can able to make some profit. And every now and then you need to book profit, but at the same time, if you keeping the options in hand, if bearish or bullish getting cash, you may get some big profit. So that is the hint which given. But after the opening, I have asked to buy 11,800 put option for 12 to 13 around 9:35, and I asked to exit that 12,100, because yesterday we are holding some 12,100 call option that we some people are exited, some people are still holding. So I asked to exit somewhere around 20 to 21, because it is kind of a volatile day. It may fall down from that particular level, but still after the closing day, if anyone wants to keep, they can take that, but the full risk involved in it, so they need to know the risk involved, those levels, while given that exit, it was traded somewhere around 21, so 20 to 21 only asked to exit, so that particular exit would have protected them. And this is the another which we given, but it was not able to bought it, because the call option was traded somewhere around 270 to 80 range, and the put option was traded somewhere around 220 range, but so we couldn't able to buy that. But if we would have bought it, we would have exit somewhere around 5550, that the market fall down that much deep. And Thursday indications prediction chart given well in advance, and that is also indicated the volatile market like what we saw on Wednesday. So once the market started to move, I asked this particular 11,800 put option to keep stop loss at the cost to cost, and anyone wants to exit somewhere around 23 also, I asked to exit somewhere around 23. And some people I asked to keep stop loss, because once it is reaching 22, it has fallen. So the small traders, I want to exit with the some profit, so exit given around 23, but still stop loss maintained. Whoever want to keep stop loss maintained, so because we can able to make some bigger profit in that, so that is the reason. But somehow unfortunately for our stop loss also got it, then after that it moved from the 23 to almost 55. It went more than that, but it is a little bad luck we got, because the stop loss here it got it, not here, I think somewhere in between 23rd, here itself the stop loss got it. That is a bad luck, but after that it has started to move up until almost reached 55, and then it went more than that, we know. And this specifically 11,900 put option, we bought it for somewhere around 150 to 155. In between, that was traded somewhere around 170 at that particular time of period. So I want to buy one insurance 12,200, the monthly option, which is traded somewhere around 17 to 18, and asked to both hold. But still after reaching somewhere around 206, the profit was somewhere around 4,000. So some people want to exit, means they can able to exit in that particular, because it has given such a profit. So the watch out signal was given, and after that I don't want to enter into the market, because it might have chances to recover because of the volatile market, but still it is kind of a moving bus, so I don't want to take a chance. I just kept quiet. So we didn't trade after that anything at all, but anything closing above this 11,870.20 level, which indicates the Thursday market is a bullish market, and exactly that is what happened. The market has rapidly recovered, a kind of a V recovery from the low, almost that 45 minutes it is recovered from that level and closed in the positive. The V kind of recovery we saw on that particular, and the market has closed above that level, what we mentioned 11,937.65, which is above the given level. Our level which given is 11,879, so we may see some kind of a positive opening in the market for Thursday as well. So after reaching certain level, it might have fall down because of Thursday also it's kind of a volatile it shows, but still bullish might have chances to get control if some key levels are there, if it is breaking those levels. And today in the Excel sheet, IDAS typically I have mentioned about this test level. If those test level is not able to break, market will fall down, and exactly that is what happened. The bearish open target level is broken. It might go to any level, but somehow we have that 11,700 strong resistance, support level. So those levels we got around 789, 788, 787 and 773. Those levels we have strong support levels. That is the reason market has recovered from that low, because our low is 11,775.75, which is exactly in the support level 9. So it couldn't able to break that level, but once again it has recovered from that low and crossed the pivot level. Almost it was close almost near to that pivot level. Market has closed 11,937. The pivot level is 11,933, which means it is above the pivot level. So that is also one of the reason tomorrow market will open in the gap up, but still tomorrow it's a volatile day, so we need to watch out how it is going to be. And Thursday's prediction, the ratio indicating negative 3:5, average indicating negative 0:5, absolute frequency indicating negative 3:5, and the weightage indicating positive 2.10 versus 1.18. So which is kind of a volatile market, but with the negative impact, so we need, it may open up in the gap, but still we need to watch out how it is going to break those levels or not, which is this bullish open target level, which is 11,017. If it is breaking that particular level or not, if it is not breaking, the market will fall down towards to the test level, which is 11,841. On the other hand, if it is breaking that particular level, still we have another resistance level, which is 12,023. So those are all the key levels. If these levels are not breaking, definitely market will fall down, but if it is breaking that key level, then it might have chances to go and reach positive average, which is 12,062. That we have another resistance level. If that level is also breaking, 12,072.40, we can take round off this particular level is very much key level, because if it is breaking that level, it might go towards to any extent. So we must have to keep that particular level as a stop loss, which normally in the candle chart we have a resistance level 3 kind of level, which is in the candle chart 12,025 range. So as per our data, 12,023 plus 10 points means 12,033 is the normal stop loss we need to maintain, but we need to watch out those levels as well, because if those levels are not breaking only, then the market will fall. Otherwise, if it is breaking, it will go to any extent on the positive side, because it is in the overall average. So overall average stop loss 12,027.05 is also we need to watch out. It is very tough, because that candlestick I will also show you. That particular candlestick which appears key range for tomorrow. The